Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of SuperWater Talks. So we keep getting inquiries on our customer care number and on our website for new wastewater challenges the industry faces. Today, similarly, we have received a call from Mr. Prashant Kumar from the hotel industry. Let us tune in to hear what he says.
Hello, Mr. Behel. This is Prashant Kumar from City Hotels Group. We need a solution for oil and grease. We have spent lakhs of rupees in cleaning drain lines and also replacing them. And we have large grease traps, but drain lines still keep on getting choked, and STP performance is also getting affected. So if you can help us, what is the solution?
Okay, thanks Mr. Prashant. So to our viewers, what Mr. Prashant is saying that he is facing a common problem which the hospitality industry faces. This is a problem of blocked drain lines, overflowing grease traps and STP underperforming due to high oil and grease. Now this is really a big problem. I have also heard cases where the hotels have to almost change the whole drain line system, drain line piping, just because of clogged drain lines. And they spend lakhs of rupees cleaning these grease traps physically, yet they still do it again and again and the problem doesn't get solved. So let us understand what the root cause is. Now the problem is that oil and grease containing wastewater gets washed away from the kitchen drain lines and then it travels through these drain lines, and wherever there are sections where the flow becomes a little slow, for example horizontal sections, this oil and grease in the water tends to build up. These are long chain fatty acids which kind of stick to each other and then kind of build up in the drain line. The whole inside diameter of the pipe becomes shorter and shorter. Similarly, when it goes into the grease trap, normally a grease trap should be sized in such a way that at the peak flow it should have a 90-minute holding time of the water. It should retain that water for so long so that the grease upfloats and gets trapped above. But if such a case is not there, and even if there are some huge shocks of water incoming, it's too much than the trap can handle, then this grease overflows from the trap. Now in the trap also, when the grease gets accumulated at the top layer, it kind of blocks all the oxygen in the water which is lying below the trap. And this water has a lot of organic waste and it starts to decay. The whole water becomes septic and then foul odors begin to rise, which is a problem for the hotel industry. Now the third area where this oil and grease causes a problem is the sewage treatment plant. The sewage treatment plant, although has a bar screen chamber and a grease trap, inbuilt grease trap, but still if the grease is so much and it gets emulsified with the water or it gets dissolved with the water, it will not let the biology function properly, because the grease is after all a complex hydrocarbon. It is a complex BOD which needs some specialized enzymes and microbes to get broken down. Let us see how to solve this. So to solve this, we must introduce beneficial microbes and enzymes specifically targeted to digest this oil and grease, and also introduce certain oxygen boosting materials. So how it will work is like this. These microbes and enzymes actually go down and just chop these long chain fatty acids into smaller and simpler molecules, which now no longer stick to the drain line or pipes, and they also don't accumulate in the grease traps. So that bulk grease in the pipes and the grease traps reduces, and the oxygen booster we provides the oxygen required by these microbes and enzymes to digest this oil and grease. This oxygen also eliminates the septic conditions which are formed in the grease traps. And when this technology goes into the sewage treatment plants, the same kind of treatment is done at the sewage treatment plant also, where the oil and grease is now digested properly and it is made part of the MLSS. Then it is wasted as a solid sludge. So this way we can solve it. At Superweld Eco-Solutions, we have a product called Superflow, which comes in two forms, either a powder form or a liquid form. And this is the set of microbes which are required to digest oil and grease. Similarly, we have a product called Oxy Super, which is a powder formulation. And the moment we dissolve it in water, it starts to liberate free oxygen, which actually helps these microbes grow and survive. Now, when oil and grease digestion microbes and oxygen booster material goes in the drain lines and the grease traps, the complex molecule of the grease starts to break away into simpler molecules. And these simpler molecules then don't clog in the drain lines, they don't stick to each other the way they were sticking earlier. And in the grease trap also, the volume significantly reduces. If the product application is done for a long time, the grease almost vanishes. In fact, we can see clear waters at grease traps. The pumping frequency at many of our hotel customers has reduced to almost 70 to 80% the earlier pumping frequency. Then this microbe can also be used in the STP area where the oil and grease is a problem. There also, when these set of microbes go, they get introduced as a part of the MLSS and start digesting oil and grease. This oil and grease is now becomes like a BOD. From a complex BOD, the microbes make it simple BOD. And then it becomes the part of the MLSS. Now it is just simply stabilized as a sludge and it gets settled or wasted away from the system. That way we can treat oil and grease very easily. I would like to tell you two recent examples where we have used this technology to digest oil and grease. One is in a case of an hotel, a 5-star hotel in the city of Gurgaon. They had a grease trap of about 5,000 liters installed at the basement, and that grease trap would fill so much that almost 40 to 50 bags of grease was to be removed every week. And it was a hassle disposing that all solid waste. The moment they switched to Superflow and OxySuper and continually dosed it, in about a month's time, this problem was eliminated. And for the past 6 months, they haven't cleaned their grease trap. They haven't had the need to clean their grease trap. And the STP performance is also very good. Similarly, another case of a dairy industry, I would like to tell you that in a case, there was a plant which was making powdered milk, and in the inlet, there was the oil and grease level was almost more than 2,200 ppm. And this was affecting the treated water quality at the aeration tank, and the outlet water was not at all clear. It was turbid and milky in appearance. The moment they used Superflow and continually used it as a part of their daily dosing, slowly and gradually from 2000 ppm, the oil and grease levels dropped to just 180 ppm at the clarifier outlet. So these are two very relevant examples where we were able to help our customers and solve their problems. If you are also struggling with oil and grease digestion in your effluent treatment plant or as a solid waste, do contact us. We'll surely help you. Thank you.